Welcome back to Krown's Crypto Cave, and welcome to the next video in this Technical Analysis 101 series. Today, we'll be talking about what a market order is. So without further ado, another quick video. Let's get right on into it. Over here, again on BitMEX, this is your market tab over here. And first things first, let's talk about what a market order is. A market order is an order that will execute immediately at the best bid or offer currently standing on the order books. So as you can see over here, we have the order book, which is currently the best bid is 61.75. The best offer is 61.75.5. So if I were to hit the green button over here, after specifying my quantity right here, which is just quite literally exactly what it sounds like, the quantity that you'd like to execute for this order. If I hit the green button, it will quite literally look at the best offer, which is 61.75, and buy it immediately. No questions asked. Now, by the same token, if I want to be a seller and I hit the red button, it will go into the order book over here, say 61.75 is our current best bid, and it will sell right to that person. So what is the advantage of using a market order? Well, it gets you in and out fast compared to a limit price, which you're going to specify your price. Not gonna be executed immediately, most likely, if you're away from price action. Market order gets you in, gets you out immediately at that current best bid or offer. So you can likely, your mind's probably turning with ideas of the best way to use this. And just to kind of add on to that conversation, I would say when I'm closing positions, when the markets are moving extremely fast, those are the times where I will employ a market order. Typically speaking, I don't want to use a market order as they do incur more fees than limit orders. In fact, on some exchanges like BitMEX or Dribit, which I absolutely love, and I do have affiliate links in the description of this video, you actually get paid, like quite literally the exchange will pay you when you get filled on a limit order that is not executed at market price. So again, I hope this video finds you well. It's all about the green and the red button over here. Best bid, best offer. And until next time, take care.